So recent reports coming out that he made an offer for $1 billion. He offered one AI tech executive a 4-year, $250 million per year for $1 billion offer. And the person turned it down to stay with OpenAI, right? This is how crazy the market has gotten to try to poach AI tech talent right now.
Why would you stay?
Money's not the reason these guys do this, right? Like they all are getting so much money at some point. There's definitely been tons of research shown that there's periods of diminishing returns, right? You get to a point where you make more than 50 million a year, it's a number, right? It's not like they actually spend it. They don't care about the money at that point. So they're probably in the middle of some project that they want to see through. You know, Andrei Karpathy is a really good example of this, right? He stayed with Tesla for a long time, tried to get poached away from tons of other people, had crazy offers, ended up just leaving just because he wanted to, right? And so this goes to show that he stayed with Tesla's FSD for almost 13 years, but then ended up just kind of drifting off. And he pops himself back in, right? He pops himself in back frequently, but considered one of the best minds in OpenAI or in AI out there. And he actually went OpenAI, Tesla, then back to OpenAI. So he's a good example of one of these early talent poaches, and then just drifted off because he's now doing what he wants to do. And I think that's a lot of what these guys do, right? So Microsoft actually came in and acquired all of the top talent of Windsurfer rather than buying the company, because that gets really hard with red tape. They just came and poached all the people because you can hire people however you want without any legal red tape, but did that for $2.4 billion. Right? Like these are big numbers. So the talent race is crazy right now. Like you said, you know,
so I have a question for you.
Yeah.
Is Mark Zuckerberg poaching talent so that others can't have it? Or is he poaching talent because he's building this product that we don't know about yet?
I get asked by my followers all the time if I think that there's secret things going on and if somebody's secretly building a superpower. I don't think anybody's doing anything secretly, because I think they're so vocal right now about this. And the reason why is because every single like saber rattle out there right now affects their stock price, right? Like, I mean, by huge margins. So I think Zuckerberg's doing this because he's already spent almost $100 billion. So Facebook is approaching $100 billion mark on what they've spent on the metaverse so far. And so far, he has absolutely nothing to show for it. And so if nothing else, he can show, well, at least I've got this talent. And I think he truly believes if he brings this talent in, he will get something out of the metaverse. And I think he'll be able to take the metaverse and turn it into an AI powerhouse. Right now, Meta's Llama, their latest Llama release was kind of a dud. It didn't really top any of the benchmarks and definitely didn't grab any headlines. But their actually older model of the 3.2 model is still considered one of the best small models out there. And Meta does everything in open source. But again, as we talked about this open source and this flip, the actual latest, these are all just rumors, but the latest rumor is that their new model will not be open source. Now, I'll be curious to see if that's true, because Zuckerberg's always been really big about open source and sourcing all their AI work. But so we're going to see if this becomes open source or not. But I think the talent shortage is so bad, so low. There's so few people who actually understand how to build these large AI systems at scale that it's just a mass power grab when the money is worth so much.
Hi, I'm Spencer, a fractional CTO. With over a decade of executive leadership and 25 years in software development, I've transformed technology teams and products for businesses just like yours. As your fractional CTO, you get the strategic guidance of a seasoned technology executive without the full-time commitment, perfect for companies ready to leverage cutting-edge technology without expanding headcount. My team at Startup Hack has already built advanced AI agents for small and medium businesses, automating complex workflows and delivering advanced ROI to human workflows. We specialize in creating custom software that connects your systems into a single coherent technology ecosystem. Our development approach focuses on tangible business outcomes. For one client, we developed AI-powered workflows that cut days off of human processes. For another company, by connecting multiple systems, we reduced processing time to increase their ROI by over 75%. We don't just write code, we architect solutions that scale. Whether you need cloud system architecture, data integration between legacy systems, or custom AI agents that automate your unique business processes, my team delivers results that exceed your expectations. Having led technology for a lot of companies and launched 7 successful brands of my own, I bring battle-tested expertise to your business challenges. Our specialty is turning technological complexity into business advantage. So if you're ready to harness the power of AI and custom software to drive your business forward, let's connect connect. Together, we'll build technology that doesn't just solve today's problems, it positions you for tomorrow's opportunities. Technology leadership, decades of experience, AI powered. Reach out today and we can help you. Check out startuphack.com/Spencer.